Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs with bread. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need fresh eggs, a pot, and a slotted spoon. Fill your pot with about 3 inches of water and add a small splash of white vinegar. This helps the egg whites set. Bring the water to a gentle simmer, ensuring there are no large bubbles. Carefully crack each egg into its own small bowl, preparing them for the pot. Now, let's poach those eggs. Gently stir the simmering water to create a slow swirl in the center of the pot. Carefully slide one egg from its bowl into the middle of the swirl. The swirling motion helps the egg white wrap around the yolk. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes for a perfectly runny yolk. Once done, remove the egg with your slotted spoon, allowing any extra water to drain away. While your eggs are poaching, toast your favorite bread to a golden crispness. Once the egg is ready, carefully place it directly onto your warm, toasted bread. This combination is truly delightful. Finish with a sprinkle of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and perhaps some chopped chives or parsley for extra flavor. Serve your delicious poached egg on toast immediately and enjoy. For consistently perfect poached eggs, remember a few key tips. Always use very fresh eggs. They hold their shape much better in the water. Avoid overcrowding your pot. Poach 1 or 2 eggs at a time to maintain water temperature and allow space. Keep the water at a gentle simmer, never a rolling boil, to prevent the eggs from breaking apart. Adjust your cooking time by about 30 seconds for a firmer or softer yolk.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.